Guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to share someone Instagram story to your own story if you're not being tagged. So I'm going to show you an example. I'm going to click on this search button there, and I'm going to simply click on a profile account here. So I'm going to click on this account here, and as you can see, this account has some beautiful shapes, etc. Now I'm going to click on the person profile on the right hand side here, and I'm going to see if they have any story. And as you can see, this person has some stories here, right? So very interesting stuff, right? And you have more than one stories. Now, in order to do this, guys, you need to get the profile or the account link to do so. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click the three dots on the upper right hand side of this profile here, and I'm going to click copy profile URL, right? That's the first step. Now, the next thing you want to do, you want to open up your browser and you want to search for download Instagram story by a link, something like that. And you want to open up one of these many websites. So I'm going to choose the first one here called iGram. And from here, you want to use the username or the link. So as you can see, as you saw before, we get the link. So I'm going to paste the link here and I'm going to click download. Now you'll have some pop-ups, guys, so you need to click on close to get rid of those. Now, once you do that, scroll down and you will see the different stories. And as you can see, this is the profile, and then you can see there is different stories, right? Now I'm going to choose the last one because it looks much better, right? Now all you have to do is just simply click download. Might have some pop-ups again, but as you can see, it's downloading there. Let's close that. Now, once this finished download, guys, you can go ahead and you can click open to view it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply click on share there on the uppermost right hand side, and I'm going to swipe up and I'm going to click Instagram story here. Now, as you can see, it loads up into the story here, guys, and all I have to do now is just simply click on my story, or your story rather. And as you can see, it is loading there on the picture in the uppermost left hand side. Now, if I click on my story, you can see that it is now posted on my story. And that's how easy it is, guys, to share or to post someone else's story that you are not been tagged into your own story. Very easy and very simple.